also neighborhood. Great news about Biden and victory. This is fucking awesome, man. Hell yeah! Say that again! Woo! Yeah, baby! Oh my God, look at all these people celebrating! This is the best day ever, yo! I came out at the right time! Wow, this is great. Yo, I woke up to this great news, man. Oh my God. Wow. This is the best day. We've been needing this for long. Woo! Look at this! This is great! Revving up that truck, man! Oh my God! This is the best news I've ever heard! Ever! America's gonna restart, baby. Look at the Ferrari over there. The Ferrari. Oh yeah, we're getting that Ferrari. Right. Look at all these people. I came out from my friend's house and I hear this celebration just now in the right time. Oh my God! Yeah, baby! Lamborghini! Ferrari! Everybody is going happy today. This is the reason. The faith has been happened. Wow. I was so scared. Look at that. I woke up. All of you guys gave me the good vibes today, man. I love it. This is the best news of America. Well, folks, that is it.